Food porn reviews. To celebrate the Japanese Tanabata Star Festival, the excellent Hinoki the Bird is serving a 5-course, $85 tasting menu that starts with a hand-drawn menu by chef Kuniko herself. The first course starts with a clear tomato gazpacho with big, thick slices of Santa Barbara halibut. Just look at all that liquid. This duck egg comes all the way from Schreiner Farms, and it's marinated in lime and fish sauce for a sexy flavor. This tender bite of heaven is a halibut cheek in lemon butter sauce with parsley and leek barley. Melts in your mouth. Fourth course is a sake kasu marinated duck with golden nectar plums. It's perfect. The last course is a Japanese take on the classic creme shibuse with peach, pear, matcha ice cream, and a delicate mint sauce.